In the realm of scriptwriting, parallel storylines converge, creating a tapestry of interconnected destinies. Converging Horizons explores the art of intersecting narratives, where distinct threads weave together. We delve into establishing parallel realities, navigating character journeys, and the power of thematic resonance. Motivations intertwine, pacing builds tension, and strategic intersection points propel the narrative forward. Choices ripple across storylines, emotional echoes resonate, and narrative symmetry enhances the overall experience. Finally, parallel storylines culminate in a climactic convergence, creating a powerful and satisfying resolution. Welcome to the art of parallel script lines.
Converging Horizons celebrates the artistry of scriptwriting by embracing the complexity and richness of parallel storylines. It's like weaving a tapestry of interconnected destinies where characters and plotlines intersect strategically. And the result? A storytelling experience that goes beyond individual narratives, offering audiences a deeply resonant journey. It's about embracing the power of multiple perspectives, creating a holistic experience that transcends boundaries. So next time you watch a movie or read a script, remember the magic lies in the convergence of horizons.
Let us like, follow, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, RCJ1561. Thank you.